It was not a smooth journey because everyone knows that being a doctor is not a easy job. Most people think that going out to study won't give us much medical exposure, but that's not true. In order to adapt to their surroundings, you have to change, and I realized that. And I think after 6 years, I've been a more confident and more approachable person. Everyone would get doubts that why are we going out? Why can't we study in India? But the answer is I made a very good decision. At first, when anyone visits Russia, they always think about maybe the Russians are arrogant, maybe they won't talk to us properly or rudely, but that's not the case. Anyone who didn't pass this time, I would like to say that don't lose hope, because this doctor's life, it's just that we shouldn't lose hope. We have to keep striving what we want to achieve, and our ultimate goal is to become a doctor. My name is Abdul Wassey. I did my medical degree from Tver State Medical University. I'm a batch of 2018, and I cleared my FMGE in first attempt, and I got 225 marks out of 300. To be honest, it was not a smooth journey because everyone knows that being a doctor is not a easy job. Everyone has to make sacrifices in order to become a doctor. For me as well, when I got to know about my NEET marks, it was a little bit, not good, and I wasn't cut off to get a seat in India, but I still had hope that I would want to become a doctor one day, and so I found out about research education through online searches, and I came to the Hyderabad branch and met our mentors from here, Dr. Krishna Kumari madam. She guided through all the process, and it was very comfortable. The process was very smooth. My parents have been a very big pillar of my success in my journey as a medical student, and now because of their blessings and because of their dua, I have been able to become a medical doctor. So I would thank them to help me achieve my dream, and also a very big thank you to all my professors and teachers and anyone who helped me in this journey to become a doctor. It was a very good journey, and they helped me in many ways. So I would like to thank each and every one of them. Everyone would get doubts that why are we going out? Why can't we study in India? But the answer is I made a very good decision. I think it was the best decision by far to study abroad, because I get to know about the culture, I get to know about the people, because you would be living by yourself, and that's how you are going to be when you become a doctor. And so the universities in Russia, they focus on each and every student and not in batches. I feel very elated that I passed my first attempt the FMGE exam, and it's partly through the education that was given to us in the medical universities. The first year for every international medical student would be very tough, because they have to know about the surroundings, they have to know about what they are going to teach in the next 6 years, they have to know about the study patterns, they have to know how they grade our marks, and we have to know our teachers as well. So the first year should be focused on getting to know what the country's culture is and what are the etiquettes and all. So I would believe for every medical student, the first year is very hard, and my journey has been sort of the same. First year was very difficult for me as well, but as the years go on, you will get comfortable with it, and with that I would say you will get much better confidence to become a doctor. At first, when coming to Russia, I wasn't that much confident. Uh, I would say I wasn't comfortable with talking to other colleagues and other people and strangers and professors as well. But eventually it changes, because you have to change in order to adapt to that surroundings. You have to change, and I realized that. And I think after 6 years I have been a more confident and more approachable person. That's a skill that every doctor needs now. The professors, the teachers in the university are also very approachable, and they are very helpful with us. And whenever you have any doubts, whenever you have any questions, problems need to be solved, you can approach them as well. They aren't very arrogant. They know what the student needs, and how they can help them. And I think because of their actions, because of their gestures, the students learn so much, not just about the studies but about their ethics and their attitude as well. Many students think that starting very early would be better for them, and I'm not saying that it's not a good choice. Yes, it's a very good choice. You can start very early, and it can help you with the studies in the Russia and other international countries as well. But my preferred timing would be 1 to 2 years before your graduation. You need to start seriously about your studies, and that 2 years time would help you to gain much more knowledge, because in the last 2 years you will be exposed to the hospitals, you will be given a medical exposure, and then you should know that how you are treating your patients. And that's why I would say that the last 1 to 2 years of your graduation is very important for you to start studying even for the FMGE exam. At first, when anyone visits Russia, they always think about maybe the Russians are arrogant, maybe they won't talk to us properly or rudely, but that's not the case. Many Russians, many people are approachable there, and the city itself, my city, the Tver, it was very beautiful. It's a quiet city, but it has many interesting landmarks, interesting attractions, and I have been to many places. I have been to Moscow, I have been to Petersburg, and Dagestan, Kazan, Sochi, and all the places are very interesting, and all cities have their own culture, they have their own vibes, they have their own nightlife, they have their own they are unique in their own ways. As a colleague, anyone who didn't pass this time, I would like to say that don't lose hope, because this doctor's life, it's just that we shouldn't lose hope. We have to keep striving what we want to achieve, and our ultimate goal is to become a doctor. So I would say that never give up. Just move, just push yourself, push your boundaries, so that you can clear your exam in the next attempt. If you believe that you want to become a doctor, please just chase your dreams, become a doctor. Do anything and whatever it takes to become a doctor. Study hard for your NEET UG exam, and I believe your perseverance should be, your mindset should be that no, I just want to become a doctor. Research education has always been a very important support for us medical students in Russia. Whatever problems we had, whatever things we weren't able to come up with, we would directly contact research education, and the matter would have been solved in minutes to days. So I'm also very grateful for them to help us and clear us with whatever problems we have in our medical life in Russia. So thank you to them as well.